Hey guys, wanted to share with you a deal I came across on some 22 long rifle ammo. I've got Academy pulled up right here, but you don't necessarily have to buy it from Academy if you can find it somewhere cheaper. I pulled up Academy because of the free shipping over $25, and in my state I don't have to pay tax on Academy orders. But these are the 400 round boxes, and at $21, it's obviously 5 cents a round. That's not the best deal in the world. However, right now Browning has a rebate going on. I'll go back to this page here to show you. This is the item number that you have to have. You can see that it ends in 22400. So that $20.99, Browning has a rebate right now, and you can see that 22400, you can get 10 bucks off each box, and you can get up to 6 of them, so $60 back. So you take that $20.99, so $21, take 10 bucks off of that, you're at $11 for 400 rounds, and that turns out to be 2.7 cents a round. Now it is just bulk ammo, but from what I've read and heard, it's okay ammo. But yeah, for $11 a box for 400 rounds, it's a pretty good deal. So just wanted to share that with you, and you can go to browningammo.com for all the rebate information, and you can actually fill everything out right here on their page, so makes it pretty easy. But just want to share that deal with you guys. Thanks for watching, appreciate it.